go. Oh my God. Oh,
Okay, that was 100. That was 100.
It's a good thing we're in Mexico. All right, welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. It's been about 2 weeks. I apologize. But as you can see, I've been full bore here on the garage. That's new since last video. I believe the floors are new. Yeah, the floors are new. I just finished them yesterday. I'll show you the garage here in 1 second. I want to cover a few things and then I'll show you the garage and then we'll do a couple more things. So my next door neighbor, my brand new next door neighbor, which used to have a C5 Z06, he bought a brand new Tesla Plaid last night. So about an hour, we're gonna go play with it. I've driven a P85S before, dual motor. It was quick, it was really fast. So I imagine this thing is gonna be really torquey and probably make me sick. I remember driving Tesla passenger seat and just the constant torque go would make me sick to my stomach. So we'll see if it does the same thing. It's like the quickest car you can buy for $100,000. And then my C5, which I can finally park in here now. It's actually outside right now, so I'm working on it. But last week I was driving it and the power steering, just horrible noise, you know, classic pump failure noise. And I checked it today. I've been busy, I haven't been driving it much, but the power steering fluid is all orange, almost like there's coolant in it, but there's not, it's a closed system, not with the motor. So that tells me there's some rust in there, water got in there. And I believe this stems from, if you watched the channel last October, when I went through like 30 feet of water, about 8 inches deep, and totally destroyed my O2 sensor systems. I think somehow water got in the power steering fluid somewhere. So the plan today is to flush it out. I got a video on how to do that, it's not too bad. You take the hoses off, you cycle it, put the hoses back on, collect the fluid. So I'm gonna cycle the fluid, flush it with some new stop leak, I don't know. I think the whole system might be shot. It's 25 years old almost. So I think once the garage is done, the first project we're gonna do in the garage is brand new power steering pump and or maybe a rack. So we'll flush it and if it comes right back, that's gonna be what's on the docket here in the next couple of months, is a brand new rack. I think the rack is actually easier than the power steering pump to get to. The power steering pump, of what I've read, is a total pain in the ass. So in any case, yeah, let me show you around the garage a little bit. I'll show you the C5, what I'm talking about in power steering, and then we'll go for a little ride in the Tesla Plaid. Sound good? Cool. I love this floor. I should have gone one more tile up because the C5 hangs over about this much, but it's okay. The GTI will fit perfectly. And whatever future car is gonna sit there, we'll see. And I know I'm still trying to make a decision on my next car to match the C5Z. And I really like the idea of a wide body C8, or a wide body any Corvette really, but lately, man, when looking at the Lotus Amira, great, for high 80s, that's an awesome car. It's a manual. I don't know if an Amira would fit the channel very well. That'd be really cool to have an Amira right there. I don't know, I got 8 more months to think about it. In any case, here's the floor. This is not the Swiss Tracks. This is the off-brand Safe Racks. How generic is that? But it looks just like it. It goes down just like it, and it feels premium, and it's pretty freaking cool. And this little accent wall, I did this about 2 weeks ago. I love this little deal. Looks really cool at night from the street. Let me turn off the overhead lights here to see a little better. There we go. That's cool. This is how it's gonna look when I film most of the time. And this is gonna be where I'm gonna be filming from right here. My desk is gonna be right here. And all this is gonna be a workbench up there with cabinets up there. My honeycomb lights are gonna go along this wall next week with the shelves for all my products for washing the car. And that's gonna be a TV wall right there. And this is gonna go up about 2 feet. So this will be my TV right here, probably a 65, I'm thinking. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. I still love this garage door opener. The side mount I have, if you watch the channel, it's so quiet. All my neighbors are like, where the hell is your garage door opener? I'm like, it's over there, and like blowing away. It's so quiet. I love it. All right, let me show you the C5Z, the color of the coolant. I'm gonna flush it real quick. And then we're gonna go play with the Tesla Plaid. God, this car's filthy. So yeah, see that? It's hard to see it right now. But I promise you, it's like a brown, orange, milky, very, very milky. But yeah, pretty gross. So I'm gonna flush this guy and drive it a little bit. If it comes back, we're gonna be replacing the whole pump and steering rack. So that'll be fun. Oh, and there's this Tesla Plaid. I'm just gonna go play with it a little bit. I'm actually a little nervous. I'm gonna make me throw up. But it should be cool. All right, I'll see you in a few. A little windy, you guys. Sorry about it. So this is my neighbor Long and Mo. Say hey.
Hey.
This is the new. I thought it was brand new Tesla Plaid. It's 2022, but tell them how much you paid for this damn thing.
It's a 2022 Model S Plaid.
Yeah.
24,000 miles, one owner, 56,000.
Yeah, I bet fell over. I didn't think you could get one of these even clapped out under 80. So I was like, what the hell? So we're gonna go for a ride. I'm trying not to throw up. I don't think Mo understands what she's in for right now. So this is Mo's first time. This car is, I forget how quiet these cars are.
I like quiet car. You want me to buy, what car?
What car is? Oh, the 911 Turbo, right?
Yeah, I want a 911 Turbo, but
What are your thoughts on the Mira?
I think it's a gorgeous car. It's good,
Yeah.
bang for the buck. It's a sport appear car. You know, they practice trying to save weight.
Yeah,
and
3,000
the
pounds.
driver.
No, it's like 3,100 pounds, but still pretty light.
It's meant to reward the driver.
Yeah.
So it's not bloated full.
The yoke is so cool. No steering wheel.
This steering wheel.
I don't know if I could ever own a Tesla, but like, I appreciate them.
I may get a Model 3 Performance or something.
Just for your work cruiser, your daily driver.
Yeah, because I'm
so scared.
just record it.
I am. All right, Mo's gonna floor this thing.
All right, you gonna make a right here, Mo?
Now, real quick, do you understand how fast this car is? Well, let him go a little
Let
bit,
him go
because you're
a
gonna
little
catch up really, really fast.
Yeah.
Is it in ludicrous mode, or you just have it in standard mode right now?
Standard.
Okay.
Just wait for all these cars to go by.
Okay.
Okay, go. All right, wait for this car to go by. Wait. All right, Mo, just stomp on the gas real quick. Just stomp on it.
All the way down.
All the way down. No, the gas. No, floor it. Just hit the gas hard. Just real hard.
Why you want me to stop?
No, not stop.
No. Go.
Hit the gas hard.
Hard as you can.
Tight, harder.
That's not the floor.
I don't want to be too fast, okay?
Just do it fast.
I am not. I don't want to drive too fast.
Just touch there. Just touch it. Just touch it for a little bit.
That's what she said. All right, Long's gonna womp on it on the way back here. Now, he's the guy I was telling you. He had a C5 Z06.
Oh, gosh.
2004, right?
2002.
2, and he sold it for how much? 7,000.
8600.
But he said it was clapped out, right?
It was clapped out.
But even a clapped out Z06 is like 12,
It
13.
was 98,000 miles. Ready?
Yeah, I'm nervous. Holy shit. God, yeah. Oh my God.
That was 60 something.
Dude, that's like a roller coaster, man.
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Oh my God.
God.
Isn't that
Okay.
stupid?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna try again one more time.
No,
I really got to
no.
hold my phone.
Okay.
It almost like went back in my head.
All
Now?
right, ready?
Yeah. Yep. Go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, that was 100.
Oh.
That was 100.
It's a good thing we're in Mexico.
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy cow. My wife is gonna shit her pants if she drives this car. And that's not even ludicrous mode.
No, yeah, it's just standard.
Oh, how do you not destroy your shaft, your motor, your axles, dude?
I don't know.
Isn't that crazy?
But there's like no wheel spin whatsoever.
All-wheel drive and it weighs 30,000 pounds.
I mean, this is with 3 people. Imagine just if we
Just by
strip those
yourself?
seats. By myself stripping all the seats, it's gonna be stupid fast.
Nothing. The C8 was quick. There's nothing like this. Wow. It feels alien almost, the speed.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's bizarre. That was fun though.
Yeah, you see the cars in the cluster.
Yeah, that's cool how it does that.
It feels like you're playing a game of Tron.
Yeah. Does this have autopilot?
No, I have to pay
a fee or
I think
something?
$100 a month or
Oh.
something. Or you buy the car, you pay $8,000
Actually, you just have it for life.
for life. Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Man, that's cool. So like I said, I've been in a dual motor P85. This is nothing like that. This is stupid fast. Yeah, Long said he'll let me drive it in a little bit. Not today, but man, that's crazy. It's exhilarating. It's like a roller coaster. I don't know how to describe it. It's even more G's than a roller coaster, I feel like.
I feel like it does.
Yeah.
I have to read up if it's definitely more than 1 point something.
It feels about 1.5 G's, yeah.
Yeah, I agree.